Hey dollies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be giving you guys a get ready with me. I did a navy blue eyeshadow look to attend a blue and white party, so stay tuned if you want to see how I achieved this look. So right here, this is the boring part. I'm just gluing my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna begin to prep and prime my face. I use the Milk Hydrogrip primer, and I use the L'Oreal something something eye cream. The products will be listed in the description box below. Alright, so right now I'm just prepping my eyes with the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 2, and I'm just going to blend it out with a blending brush before I begin applying my shadows. So right here, I'm going to be taking this blue shade in the ABH Alyssa Edwards palette. I'm not sure if you could still purchase this palette. I don't think they have it on the Sephora site, or they might have it on the ABH site or some other third-party sellers. But you could use any royal blue shade. I'm just taking this and pressing it in the crease first, and then I'm doing like a swiping motion to blend out the shade. After I finish using that NYX black base over my lid, I took this navy blue shade in the Morphe 39A. Morphe 39 Dare to Create palette. I think I could have gotten away with not using the black base because on camera it's showing up black when I press the navy blue over the black base. but in person, as you will see in the end, it you could tell it's navy blue. So I think you don't have to use a black base. I used a black base. Oh God, use a black base because I wanted the navy blue to be more intense. So after I used the royal blue that was in the Alyssa Edwards palette to blend out the navy blue shade and the black that was on the lid, I used these tan beigey shades in the Morphe palette, the Morphe 39A palette, to blend out the royal blue that I had put in my crease, and I'm using this as a transition shade so it's not a stark contrast between the royal blue and my skin complexion.
Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fuck up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I can let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since...
Y'all do not hate me. I don't remember what foundation I used. I know I mixed two foundations, because I always mix foundations. I know it was the Nars Natural Radiant. Don't remember what I mixed it with. Maybe the ABH foundation. I don't want to put incorrect information in the description box, but I remember everything else, I think, like the concealer. But I filmed this video like 2 months ago. Don't hate me, y'all. I never got around to doing the voiceover part, so it just never got completed on time. Y'all, I promise I'm gonna be on top of it. I really am. I'm really slacking right now, but please forgive me. Please just go with the flow. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart
heart beat, leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me to love. Everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is one in a million. Goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah,
Now this step right here, what I'm doing right now, using my foundation brush and taking it over the edges of my concealer and on my nose contour and all the other places where it's like a harsh line, is key to having a blended face. Like, you definitely want to do that. Whether you have a foundation sponge or the brush, you want to go over it and blend out those lines.